Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to change language on Line app. So first of all, launch open Line application on your device. You can see over here Line app has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to change the language, tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. What you have to do is scroll down. Now over here you'll be able to find this section for general. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option language that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to select the language. Right now auto is selected for me. So what you have to do is tap on the language that you would like to change to. Now after you do that, tap on the save option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here your language has been changed. So like this you'll be able to do it. So that is how you change language on Line app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.